Hello, hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hi, hello, hi, hello, welcome, hello, Nalini ma'am, hello, welcome to Moyers Connect. Hello, Chandra uncle, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೇಟೋಣ್ಣು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೋಯರ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹೆಲೋ ಚಿದಾನಂದ ಹೆಲೋ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ನಲಿ it's so nice that you are live with us. It's so nice to see you live. You're sparing time to watch Moyers Connect. Thank you so much. So welcome everyone to Moyers Connect. Such a beautiful show. It's a community, one of a kind of community show only for Moyers. I'm so excited that all of you are joining. Welcome all to Moyers Connect. So I'm Sudesh Udyavar, your host and host, and my parents are Sundar Udyavar and Devaki Udyavar. You all must be knowing them, and today we are going to have a very beautiful, dynamic businesswoman, Yogita Uchil, with us. She'll be joining us shortly, and we are going to have a super chat with this talented young lady, and who is an entrepreneur in herself. So welcome Purushottam uncle, welcome Deepna, welcome to Moyers Connect. Hi Neeta Uchil, Devaki Uchil, welcome. Hi Ansh, welcome to Moyers Connect. So we'll shortly have Yogita Uchil joining us, and we'll have a lot of chat with her. Hello, hi. So any questions for Yogita, guys? You can just message me. We'll ask her during the chat if we have time, because we'll be having just 1 hour of time with her. Welcome everyone to Moyers Connect. Hi. Let me see if I can get connected to Yogita, guys. Hello Sahil, hi. There she is, the beautiful lady and our guest.
Hello.
Big round of applause to you. Welcome to
Hi.
Moyers Connect. Yogita, hi.
Thank
How are
you.
feeling? How are you feeling?
Very good. Thank you so much.
And how are you doing? Super.
How are you?
I'm nervous. I don't know. Are you?
I'm not able to hear you. You're breaking.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm not. I've done enough of this.
Same with me, but every time I to show up, the first 15 minutes I took attention in.
Your voice is breaking. I can't hear you.
My voice is breaking. What about?
Now it's better. Now it's better.
I think I should get the mic a little closer.
You should get. Yeah.
Then, am I audible enough now?
Breaking a little.
Little is it?
Little closer.
So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಂಡೆ ಆವಾಜ್ ಕೇಕ್ನಾ please respond. So we have Yogita joining us, superbly talented lady with us. So Yogita, welcome again. Welcome to Moyers Connect.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chat with you and like to know. I know a little bit of background about you, and all our viewers would like to again. Yeah, all of very closer. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
तो आज मैं ऐसा दिखने वाला हूँ पूरा शो में.
हाँ.
Okay, cool. So Yogita, let's start off with you. What are you doing? Where are you, about your family, and what are you currently doing? Before that, I would like to, whatever I have learned or whatever I know, let me tell your background. Okay. So Yogita is a co-founder of Human Factor. It's a management consultancy firm. We talk about it to explain us consultancy all about.
Secondly, you are a food evangelist. That means you do a lot of talking, and you are also you talk about healthy food. You have also recently launched a project on wellness and mindful eating. We would love to know about it. And
Okay.
also in that you are more into work with underprivileged and mentally challenged people. That's very, very it's up to you. You definitely you would love definitely need to. So yes,
Okay.
what do you and pardon me if I might carry
Yeah, I
take
know
it
it's like
first.
really breaking. So next time you ask me a question, you have to
Yeah.
really go closer and yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So, yeah, so first of all, a very good evening to all of you. And thank you so much. It's an absolute pleasure to be here. I always take pride in being a Moya. And I think it's such a wonderful thing that I get to that's for Moya for having me here. I feel very proud. I feel very privileged.
You are
So with
always
that,
welcome.
thank you. So with that, I'll take you to a small story. Actually, I've typed it out, so I'll actually read it to you. It won't look like it's reading, but I think it's a wonderful story that I have written about where I came from. So I'll start with the intro with a short story about a family and me. Okay, a little girl was born in a family of two adorable parents and three older siblings in the most beautiful place on earth called Goa. My father, Narayan B. Uchil from Hosamani, and my mother, Hemalata Uchil from Aire. Aire, that's Uppala. Okay?
Correct.
Those were days when everyone looked to have a boy child. I have no reason why, but well, it was like that. And we were already with three girls, you know. But I was welcomed to this world with no less respect. My father and mother were thrilled to bits to see a little girl suck her finger and look up the ceilings the moment she was born. Guess I was enlightened at when I was born. So this is a small story of how four girls in the family
Sounded like a
has
good
no respect. You know, those days where I don't know what it meant to people or what they thought, you know, the whole feeling of saying that, oh, these people have girls, so no respect. You know, we've gone through that stage of life. I know it is like that. I mean, nobody can say, no, oh, we didn't think like that. No, people thought like that. So I came from that era where people thought it's important to have a boy. So I was born and raised in Goa, a place that was very untouched by any urbanization. Okay, for just for tourists, but otherwise we all lived a very nice nave life. So pretty much lived in serene in my life, and also with a house of four girls. You can imagine that can be quite a riot. So we were four girls, and I was the youngest of them. We were a gang by ourselves, so we would fight, we would play, and fortunately we had people who were like that. So we had friends of our own age.
Wow.
When it used to rain in Goa, the paddy fields used to get full with crabs and shells, the
Oh.
snails.
Talking about
So
in
when
Goa.
our parents slept, yeah.
Goa.
So when our parents used to sleep in the afternoon, we used to go to these fields and we used to collect crabs and snails and all and come home.
Oh wow.
And in the evening, we used to get beaten up. Everybody, all this, like, you know, we used to do all this. So Goa was, it was like a village, right? I mean, I'm
Correct.
talking about 30 years back.
Correct.
So that's how it happened.
You still have a place
So-
there in Goa?
No, my uncle lives there. My father's youngest brother still lives there, Vijay Uchil.
Okay.
And I make it a point to go to Goa at least once a year.
Okay.
Because I'm still in touch with my friends, my teachers. I'm in touch with everybody. I mean, I like to do that.
Would
so
you
I'm
like
in touch
to?
with everybody.
Would you
And
like to reiterate? You said the era that you were into. You know.
I can't hear you.
Can you say something in Malayalam? The era that you are into, which you know people would want to have a boy child. Would you like to tell him for Malayalam?
Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay. So, നമ്മളെല്ലാം ചെറിയ ഇരിക്കുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാകും ചെല്ലങ്ക് നമ്മളെ പുറലി ഒരു ആണിക്കിടാവ് വേണം. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಣಕಿಡಾವು ಬೇಣು ಅದು ಏಂತೇನಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ.
ಲೈಕ್ ಇಪ್ಪೋ ನೋಕ್ಯಂಗ ಆಣಕಿಡಾಕೋ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಪೆಣ್ಣಕಿಡಾಕೋ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆರ್ ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ ಟು ಸೇ ದಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ അങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാനി. ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಕೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದೇ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ಲಿ ಆಣಕಿಡಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಚೆಲ್ಲಂಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ಆರಿಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಂದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ഉണ്ടാനി. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ കുറച്ച് ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. The respect was lost for my parents because they had girls.
4 girls.
For what reason? We don't know. Yeah, that too 4 girls,
4
right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, 4 girls. But we were untouched with all those things because first of all, Govali aru illa.
Sorry.
Nammale mensamare mast korcho. Nammale mensamarello yara Bombay, Bangalore നാട്ടിൽ ഉണ്ടാഞ്ഞ അപ്പോ നമ്മ ഒരു 4-5 ഫാമിലിയെ ഉണ്ടാഞ്ഞ ഗോവലി. അപ്പൊ നമ്മ ഓർത്തര നമ്മളെ സോഷ്യലൈസിങ് അത്രേ ഉണ്ടാഞ്ഞി. സോ അങ്ങനെ നമ്മോ ഗോവലി ഒരു വില്ലേജ് പോലെ അറ്റ്മോസ്ഫിയർലി we were brought up.
Correct.
So it was very naive, very serene, and I was one of the tomboys in my family. I don't know why. Probably when my mother was pregnant, all the time she would have thought it's a boy, it's a boy, it's a boy, and I turned out to be a tomboy actually when I was born. So I was growing up, I would want to play with the boys. So I would play gilli danda, I would play lagori, and I would play marbles.
Awesome.
And the boys would hate. The boys would call my mummy and papa. They would call my mother and father as mummy and papa. So they'll say, "Mummy, tell Yogi to go away. She can't play with us." And I'm like, "Mummy, no, I'm going to play with the boys." So I would cheat, I would fight, but I would play only with the boys.
Wow.
So, I grew up like that. I was a total notorious tomboy.
Wow.
And
So
my parents never stopped me from that.
Yeah, so that was my next question. How was your parents, view towards all you daughters? Like, how did they, was there a thing that, girls or something? You want to know?
So see, at that time, Sudhish, there was never gender discrimination.
Correct.
എനിക്ക് ഞാൻ 10th സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് പോളോ എനിക്ക് ഗൊന്തില്ല അനിക്ക് നമ്മോ ಅವರು ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅವರಕತ್ತ കളിಕೊಂಬಾಯಲ್ಲ ಅವರು അങ്ങനെ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀ നമുക്ക് എല്ലാരും ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. നോ ഗേൾസ് ആൻഡ് ബോയ്സ്. ആ ഗേൾസ് ആൻഡ് ബോയ്സ് ഡിസ്ക്രിമിനേഷനേ ಇಲ್ಲ നീ. സോ വി വർ സോ നേവ്.
ട്രൂ.
വി വർ സോ ടിമിഡ്. നമുക്ക് കളിക്കോ, നമുക്ക് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് വേണം. ಅವರು ಬಾಯ್ ಇರ್ಕಟ್ಟು ಗರ್ಲ್ ಇರ್ಕಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. നമുക്ക് കളിക്കോ കിട്ടുന്ന ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. So that is how we grew up.
Wow.
Even today when we look at that, they are still our friends. Even now I go, we joke about it, we talk about how we did that. മരത്തിന്റെ മേലെ പോയിട്ട് മാങ്ങ എടുത്തിട്ട് പിന്നെ അങ്കിൾ നമ്മളെ ബജിയെന്ന് വന്നിട്ട് തൈക്കോൻ വന്നുകൊണ്ടുണ്ടാഞ്ഞ ബടി പിടിച്ചിട്ട്. See all those things, and it's amazing memories that നമ്മളെ കിടാക്കോക്ക് ഇന്ന opportunity ഇല്ല.
True.
But that is how
it's all mobile. Everything.
Yeah. Correct. So, I also went to a girls' convent school there. So, I studied in this school called Fatima Convent.
Okay.
And I was an athlete. I was into sports. I played a lot of sport and, I love to play sport. So, in my 6th grade, I got into the basketball tournament.
Yeah,
and
so Sarita
every year.
Sarita Shetty ma'am is replying that she was a very good basketball player. Neeta Uchil ma'am is very naughty. She used to take their tennis ball and run away. If they did not, they didn't play.
All my sisters. Yeah. So I played basketball for my school, and from the 6th grade to the 10th grade, I was a part of my basketball team, and
Correct.
we won every year. So our school was a champion every year. So we had a teacher called Neena teacher, who was our sports teacher, and she was our biggest motivator. And would you believe it? She's 75 plus today. I still talk to her.
Oh, is it?
And and every time I go to Goa, I make it a point to meet her, and every month I call her.
So nice of you. You have to always be in touch with your teachers, definitely.
Yes. So that's how you build relationship. That's how you build network. That's how you build this one-to-one contact with people, and people will never forget you. So if I don't call for a month, Teacher Neena will actually say, "Yogita, what happened, ma? I was waiting for your call. You didn't call." And I'll tell, "No, teacher, I got busy or something like that." So she actually looks forward for my call.
Nice.
And I feel so happy about it. That, a lady so many years back gave me something, and today I'm giving 5 minutes of my time back to her.
Absolutely. That's very, very
It's a karmic exchange.
true.
You know, it's an exchange of positivity, it's exchange of love, it's an exchange of gratitude.
True.
She made me what I am today. My kind words to her is what I'm exchanging back to her.
Definitely,
So,
you'll pass
these
it
are
on to
little
the next
things.
generation as well. So whatever you have
Yeah.
learned, yes, definitely you are going to give, obviously, to the next level. And
Exactly.
you were selected for national level, Sarita Shetty is saying. A
Yeah.
little bit about that
but
as
what
well.
happened is, yeah, okay, so I was selected for national levels, but my mother was not very comfortable sending me, because you know those days it was like that. She was like,
True.
oh, you're going to go to Delhi, you're going to play, and you know what will happen, how will you get that fear always. I mean, my son plays soccer, and if he has to go to Delhi even now, I'm scared about it. And
That's true.
imagine those days and being a girl, you know, things were different. So I think as a parent, she's like, no, you know, I don't think I'm comfortable sending you. And well, I lost the chance, but I never felt bad about it. I mean, I don't even remember it now. When somebody tells me, I just
But someone
remember that,
getting-
yeah.
Also,
Sorry, I can't hear you.
so I'm saying, so for someone to get to that level also, that opportunity also, this is a personal privilege to that level.
Yeah, well, but we had so many other things in life that we didn't lose out on this.
Correct.
So for me, it was nothing that I lost on. I felt it was okay. I mean, and you know, I also understand where my mother came from.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we are more compassionate towards it, where we say, okay, you know, my mother didn't let me go because for a reason she cared for me.
True.
So that's nothing that I held back to or held it in my heart, because I've gone
Or
much further in life without it.
Or regret about it.
It really doesn't matter. No, I don't. I don't. Absolute no regrets that I didn't get to, because I've done so many other things in life that if I was not what I am today, probably I would have thought that was a missed opportunity.
Correct.
But today, with what I have, I don't think it's a missed opportunity. So I'm pretty happy about it.
Correct. So last week that we had Nalini, Dr. Nalini Kotikal, and he had also explained or shared his experience with parent and stuff like that. They were very particular. So obviously that kind of hear me now? Am I loud?
Yeah.
Awesome. So
Not loud, but okay. Yeah, this is good. Yeah.
okay. So let me do it without the hands free. I think that's okay. Okay. So I was speaking with Nalini, Dr. Nalini Kotikal. She also said that her parents had guided her. They had guided her to
Your voice is still breaking.
Is it?
Yeah. At a level, it is okay. When you come closer, I think it works.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is better. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you able to hear me now?
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah.
That's okay. So I was looking hold on guys, hold on. Wait, guys.
Am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yeah, you're on and off. Yeah, it's okay now.
It's okay, Sudesh, my voice. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, please confirm, guys, not able to hear. Are you able to hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So I was talking
Yeah.
about her parents also guided her something which she was not interested in.
वापस गया.
वापस गया क्या करें हम लोग वापस कनेक्ट करें आई थिंक वॉच ऑन एंड ऑफ ओके ओके
Yeah, it's on and off.
ओके
Now it's better. Now it's better.
ओके रेशमा प्लीज कंफर्म अगेन नॉट क्लियर
On and off जा रहा है.
ऑन एंड ऑफ जा रहा है अभी भी
हाँ अभी ठीक था.
All good. अभी
हाँ अभी
better है.
हाँ. Yes.
Okay. So, what did you hear last? We spoke about Dr. Nalini Kotekar.
You were talking to me about Nalini Kotekar. You said something I didn't hear.
Yeah, I said her parents also guided her to get into becoming a doctor, and
Medical,
yes,
yeah.
so she is not regretting that fact. So yes, obviously parents will think about it. Yeah, that time if they have not allowed you, there was a particular reason. I'm sure you also don't regret that fact.
Yeah. So when you say about opportunities, let me tell you a small story about the opportunities. So we lived in Goa, and then after my 10th we moved to Bombay. Okay. So can you guess why we would have moved to Bombay? I mean, it's really funny, but people thought that way. You know what? My father was told, since he has 4 daughters, if he has to get his daughters married, he
Okay.
had to move to Bombay.
My God.
Yeah.
And he agreed.
Yeah, I mean, what would he do? He has 4 daughters to get married, right? So he said, "Ningo avudallo irnang ningale gurtu arikku illa, ningale makkokku mangala avula, appo ningo Bombay ku shift avunu."
My God.
So my father took it very seriously because my older sister was of marriageable age,
Yes.
and I was just out of school. So he
Oh.
said, well, perfect time. We should move to a place where my daughters would get married. And he had, so when my father came to Goa, when, a year before I was born, he
Correct.
had a very good job. He had a highly paid job with a car and chauffeur. I'm talking about that
Wow.
time. But he was very enterprising and he wanted to start something on his own. And so he said, okay, let me start something on my
Okay.
own. And he was the first person in India to have a manufacturing of zip, the zip that you have in your jeans and
Correct.
all that, the metal zips.
Correct.
So he got machineries from Germany at that time, and he had this factory.
Oh, awesome.
And then what happened is he had to move to Bombay. Then he said, okay, now what do I do? Lock, stock and barrel, all the machinery will move to Bombay. I'll move my business to Bombay. He spoke to a friend in Bombay and he said, okay, you know what, my factory is available, bring your machineries, we can install it here and you can start your business.
Okay.
So my father said, okay, and we moved to Bombay. I had just finished my 10th. I was supposed to go to college level. And lock, stock, barrel, we moved to Bombay. Bombay was new. I mean, not new in that sense because my grandparents lived in Bombay. So every vacation we would come and spend time in Mumbai. But, we've never lived there. So it was a new experience from Goa, which is a small town, to Mumbai, which is a big city. But let me tell you, it is a city of opportunities. I do not regret moving there because really what I am today is what Mumbai has done to me.
True.
So
City of dreams.
we moved to Mumbai. Yeah, we moved to Mumbai and I had to take up a course. So what do I take? I don't even know. And look, my parents were not highly educated who knew what is career, what job I have to take, what course I have to take. No.
Correct.
But nobody even guided us. We had relatives who were highly educated, but nobody ever guided us in terms of career. Actually the emotional part of our journey, of our lives, though everything was good, we felt very bad moving to Bombay because people didn't want to share things. And no, I'm not talking about friends. Friends are wonderful in Mumbai.
Wonderful. Yes.
Relatives are not. They are very competitive.
Correct.
It's true. And
True.
you know what, Sudesh? I have seen this only with Moyers. It is very sad that
Correct.
people are jealous of each other.
Correct.
Other castes, you talk about Marwadis, Gujaratis, Muslims,
Jains.
how they stand by their people. They do things for people.
Correct.
Ours is a community.
Correct.
Very sad to say. Not all. I will not generalize it. But I'll
Not
tell
all.
you, we are all, most of us are jealous of each other. We cannot see the other person thriving. ಅವನು ಎಂದನ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ್ ಬಾಯಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ ವಾಡ ನಾರಿಕೊಂಡು ಉಂಡಾನ ನಾಟ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ನೋಕಿಪ್ಪು ಹೆಂಗನೆ ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ ഐ വുഡ് സേ അവൻ വാട നാറിക്കൊണ്ടുള്ള നാട്ടിൽ അയ്യോ ഇപ്പൊ എത്ര വലിയ ആളായ
Correct. Correct.
that is how I look at it but unfortunately most of the people ഓ അവ അങ്ങനെ അവ എങ്ങനെ അവ അവളെ ബലിതാದ അവളെ bring her down you
Correct.
know so that is one big disadvantage about Moyers and
See,
I am telling it openly
I
today
will interrupt today on this. Saying, maybe, kind of inherited, there must be some background that that people were very jealous or because they didn't get opportunity, and maybe because of that time, or everything.
Correct.
But now, the generation of parents and most of them,
Yeah.
including
Yeah.
starting with from West Connect, I had so many lawyers, friends, and all the annas and everybody trying to help me out, reach out to this particular platform where I can get connected to all the money. And they are helping me day in, day out. So
Yeah.
there is no
Times have changed. Times have definitely changed.
But
Times have changed. But I'm talking about when we were, even when it came to getting my sisters married,
correct.
nobody was ready to give their guy. And you know what were the criteria when my sisters and were getting married? അവൾക്ക് ബാങ്കിൽ പണിയുണ്ടാ അവൾക്ക് ഗവൺമെന്റ് പണിയുണ്ടാ അപ്പൊ നീ എന്തിനാ അവന്റെ മങ്ങാലന്നെ നിനക്ക് അവളെ നോക്കുന്ന ഔക്കാതില്ലേ
Absolutely. Why should you look at the other side?
अरे,
Look at your
तुमको
side.
औकात नहीं है किसी को देखने का तो तुम शादी नहीं करना चाहिए तुमको बीवी का पैसा चाहिए या बीवी चाहिए
True. Absolutely right.
you know these are times that we have gone through Sudesh
No, many
So
of
what
them
happens?
have
So I
gone through
come-
this. Yes.
Yeah,
So that mentality needs to change. Adangana mentality irkumbaila. Namo namale.
ഇപ്പം ബായല
Your
see it is improved a lot ഇപ്പോ ഞാൻ ചെല്ലുന്നില്ല ഇപ്പോ improve ആയിട്ടില്ലാണ് but
True.
we still have people who have small minds today ഇപ്പോ പൈസ എല്ലാരെല്ലാം ഉണ്ടോ ഒരു ലെവൽക്ക് ഉണ്ടോ ആ
Correct.
ടൈമില് മസ്ത് ഉണ്ടായി പൈസ the difference between people having money and not having money was big that time
Correct.
ഇപ്പോ അങ്ങനത്തെ അല്ല ഇപ്പോ many of them have money to a certain extent that they don't really have to be at somebody's mercy today
Correct.
everybody has that but
Correct.
I'm talking about times where we lived
True.
where I grew up
True.
so when I had to take a choice about what course to do nobody helped so I said okay probably it's commerce chalo karo
Correct.
सब लोग कॉमर्स कर रहे हैं चलो करो कॉमर्स बिकॉज आई
Correct.
वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन साइंस करो तो मैंने कॉमर्स किया पढ़ा मैंने बाय द टाइम माई सिस्टर गॉट मैरिड एंड माई ओल्डर सिस्टर गॉट मैरिड एंड देन स्लोली आई फिनिश माई बीकॉम and then I said and by the time my two sisters were working so I had the comfort of not going for a job but yes when I finished my 12th standard I started working because we had colleges in the morning and we had the
Okay.
whole day which was available. So 10 o'clock college खत्म होता था उसके बाद हम लोग job में जाते थे and then
Right.
we used to come home. So I started working when I was 18 years old. That was my part-time job. Okay.
Awesome.
And yeah, so that's when I started working. I started understanding people. I probably am blessed with the skill of being very nice to people. I network with people. I understand another person's mind. I understand another person's heart. So it took me everywhere I went. I slowly started seeing success, and
Wow.
after that, when I actually graduated and I was around 21 years old, I probably was the first lady entrepreneur at 21. So I started my own consulting company at the age of 21.
Wow.
I didn't think it was big at that point of time. I mean, for me, kuch ho raha hai, kuch chal raha hai, but it was not great. But yes, I started my own company when I was 21.
Wow.
That is the time a little before that, my father, whose business he had shifted to his friend's factory, the friend cheated him. So he
Oh.
took he forged my father's signatures. He worked with the government and all that machinery that was my father's, he transferred it to his name.
Oh my God.
And my father was into a rude shock. Overnight, he was a total bankrupt.
Oh my. My. That's horrible.
Okay, so
horrible.
yeah, he has 3 daughters to get married, and he has nothing with him.
My God.
You know what the feeling can be, right? So
And the sole-
we've seen days like that.
And you were the sole earner.
No, not really. My sisters were earning.
Okay. Okay.
Definitely my sisters were earning. We all were contributing towards the house. But you know, a man to say that I'm not earning for my family. You're a man, you know what it is. You know, it's a pride to say that I'm taking care of my family.
Absolutely.
But other than that, he didn't know anything else. You know,
Correct.
that was, and he was already into a root shock.
My God.
So it was a very, very difficult time that he went through. Extremely difficult time.
Correct.
You know, where does he get the money? And we were earning, my sisters were earning. But you know how it is when you start earning very young, there's only so much money. You don't earn big money, right?
Correct.
Yeah, and that time I thought my sisters were earning, they were doing a job, and I was like, no, I have to do something different. I have to make it big. I have to do this. I have to do it for my family. I have to do it for myself. I have to make my parents proud. And I think every challenge gives you an opportunity. And
True,
that is
true.
the opportunity that I grabbed.
True.
So when my father went bankrupt, I don't know what happened with people. I don't know. See, ये एक mentality मुझे हमेशा समझ में नहीं आता है. मेरे पास पैसा है या मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है.
Why should you?
मेरा और तुम्हारा रिलेशनशिप कैसे चेंज होता है?
Absolutely.
ना मैं तुमको पैसा देने वाली हूँ, ना तुम मुझे पैसा देने वाले हो.
True.
तो why you start hating me when I don't have money?
It's like judging people.
Oh, exactly. Why you start insulting me when I don't have money? तुम्हारा क्या जाता है? तुम्हारे पास मैं पैसा के लिए आया हूँ क्या? नहीं आया हूँ. But those were the times that they would only like to be with people who have money,
Correct.
and they would always like to insult people who didn't have money, and we fell into that category.
True.
Okay, so then my other sister also got married, my second sister, and well, expenses started increasing. दो बच्चे हैं, and unfortunately they always say, no, people who have money want more money.
Correct.
It's always there. मेरे पास इतना है, मेरे को और चाहिए.
और चाहिए.
So we lived in our grandparents' house. Okay, that's what's my mother's father's house.
Correct.
We were pressurized to vacate that house.
Oh.
My father doesn't have a job. He has 2 daughters to get married. My mother was not working. We were asked to leave the house
Oh my.
with nothing. Okay, and that's where it was very difficult for my father. It was so difficult to take that pressure that he died out of a massive heart attack at the age of 59.
Very sad.
At 59, he passed away with 2 daughters to get married and a wife. Meanwhile, luckily, I had started earning. It didn't end there.
Correct.
With 2 daughters and a mother, we were still pressurized to leave the house.
Oh my God. Even after that. My God.
Yes. So it was my mother and 2 girls. Where would we go?
My God.
And that's the time I said, Mummy, Daddy is gone. I can't take the risk of losing you.
True.
Come, let's go. You know, that's how we left the house that was rightfully our house.
How can people be so heartless? I mean, it's
Yeah.
crazy.
Well, it is. And everybody supported the people who had money. For what? No
Yeah.
one stood by us and said yes. ಅವರು ವಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಪೋವಾರಿ ಜಂಡು ಪೆಣ್ಣು ಪುಳ್ಳು,
जाने दो.
right?
जाने
We
दो.
left the house. Yeah.
That's
We
their
left
problem.
the house.
People think like that.
We left the house, and when we left the house, we only succeeded. So today, to the person who made me leave the house, I am thankful.
Like, absolutely.
Because if it was not for that person,
You wouldn't
this
have.
person would never be sitting in front of you.
Absolutely. We are very proud of you, Yogita.
very, very proud of you. And
Not about but so whatever the background is, you are a very, very we are very, very proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you. So, and after that, there was no looking back, Sudesh. We only went from one step to another. I remember when I was 21, I'm small built, you know, and people still think I'm very young. Well, I'm not. So at that time, I really looked small. So when I used to go to meet clients, I would drape this sari because I wanted them to think that I'm a big lady, I'm matured, you know, they should give me
Correct.
business. Because I would go and speak to people like Thomas Cook and, you know, big companies, Godrej, they were my clients.
wow.
So I didn't want people to underestimate me. So I would drape a sari, wear a heel and run and take the train and go and meet clients.
Okay.
And these are clients who eventually became my friends and they are still friends with me.
Okay.
And you know, they always would tell me, Yogita, there is some magic in you. You know, you're so different because otherwise when women come for business, they're ready to do anything to get the business.
Correct.
But you're not like that.
True.
You know, and they would treat me like their own little sister because I was just 21.
You had US clients also. Sarita is messaging.
Yes, yeah. I had like completely, by then that one move had changed our life. See, it's like that when God closes one door for you, He opens
10
10
more.
others.
Absolutely.
You just need to knock and keep going. Right? So I knocked every door. I went. I ensured that I had business.
Wow.
And I worked hard to get it.
Awesome.
And I ensured that, like the others who treated us, I would never treat people like that.
That's
And
so
the
nice
people
of
who treated me like that, I will treat them with more love and respect.
Absolutely. That's the way to give it back.
Exactly.
That's the way to give it back.
Exactly. So, you know, that is what is the biggest success. That never
Absolutely.
treat people the way they treated you badly.
You can
If you
forgive
can
them,
change
but not
that negative to positive, you're a much more better person.
true. Absolutely. So, Yogita, that's a superb examples that you are putting in front of all. Today, there's all the women wearing in Moyer community or
You want me to say something for them?
yes, please.
Okay. So, let me give you a little more about what I did. So, when I got married and came to Chennai, we ensured, by God's grace, you know, I got a husband who understood what I am. He understood that I needed to support my family. He understood that I need to give. Okay. So, we worked together. We ensured that whatever we have, we are going to help people.
Okay.
So till now, we have educated around 10 children. We have got around 6 people married.
Oh.
And I work with the mentally challenged.
Hmm.
I work with the domestic violence people here in Chennai.
Wow.
And I also work with around 200 to 250 children every year. We do something as Joy of Giving. Awareness, career awareness. So every year with 250 children, 12 standard children, we give them career awareness.
Okay.
So all this came to us because we decided that we are going to treat people very, very differently than how we were treated.
Absolutely.
So if everybody thinks that, you know, it's no vengeance, we don't want to take vengeance. Taking vengeance is very easy.
Then you
But
can't be the
taking
who have treated you like
taking love, taking pain and giving love is the most humblest thing that you could do.
absolutely. That comes to your karma. That karma
Yeah.
will give it back to you. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So you need not be the
So I definitely. So I would definitely like to tell all women, first of all, don't keep any negative feelings within you, because the negative feelings that you keep inside you is only hurting you. The person who's hurt you is gone away,
Correct.
but the person who keeps the hurt inside is the one who keeps getting hurt. So the
Correct.
moment you start forgiving, you become a more positive and better person.
Correct. Absolutely.
Okay? So that is the first thing that everybody needs to remember.
Correct.
Once you do that, get your strategies right. Okay?
True.
And there is no men or women here. I am an example.
True.
I've probably outbeaten most of my cousins. I'm not trying to, put
Both-
anybody down, but yes. Okay?
See, that's
So
a
there is
fact.
nothing like men and women.
Yes.
You have to understand your potential. I like to do, I love to do, I can do, it is possible to do.
Correct. Something in Malayalam for all one same thing, because that
I know. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I think I
So
should
guys-
talk more of Malayalam.
So, nothing. We have around, but then after this form, there are more than 100, more than 200 people, more than 200 people who come back and forth. That's a big thing. That can be.
I didn't get your question.
Yeah. Am I audible enough? Okay, chalo good. So I am saying, so there are many people come and watch your video later on after the show.
There are many people?
Who come and watch your show after this.
Yeah.
Yes, they come and watch your video. And there are more than 200 people who come back and watch your show.
Okay.
Malayalam.
Okay. Yeah, all right. So I have to speak in Malayalam. Okay. Okay. So, നമ്മുടെ ജാതിയിൽ മസ്ത് പെണ്ണുപിള്ള ഉള്ളാരി ആ പെണ്ണുപിള്ളേർക്ക് മസ്തേ ധൈര്യമുണ്ട് മസ്ത് എന്താ ചെല്ല എബിലിറ്റീസ് ഉണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ആണുങ്ങോ പെണ്ണുങ്ങോ അങ്ങനെ എന്തും ഇല്ല നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും വടേ തന്നെ ഒരു എബിലിറ്റി ഉണ്ട് ഓക്കെ ഒരു ശക്തി ഉണ്ട് ഒരു നോളജ് ഉണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അത് ഉണ്ട് எனக்கு குக்கிங் ஆயங்க நீங்க டான்சிங்ல இருக்கும் பெயிண்டிங்ல இருக்கும் கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ்ல இருக்கும் நல்ல பத்கோபரேனில இருக்கும் நீங்க vocabulary skills நல்ல இருக்கும் so everybody is gifted with something so first you have to find out what is your strength what is your competency okay then find out whether I like to do this இப்போ எனக்கு suppose நான் சொல்றேன் எனக்கு acting மஸ்து நல்லானு but am I beautiful or எனக்கு acting the skills உண்டா so it doesn't mean that I like it so some things are which you like it and you have the skills to do it ഇപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ശരി ഞാൻ ചെല്ലാം എനിക്ക് ഡാൻസിങ് മസ്ത് നല്ലതാണ് എനിക്ക് ഡാൻസ് ആക്കും സാധ്യ ഉണ്ട് ഞാൻ ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ഉള്ള so എനിക്ക് ഡാൻസിങ് ആക്കും സാധ്യ ഉണ്ട് so everything put it in a category where you say I like to do this do I have the skills to do it
True.
and will I succeed in doing and what is the path I have to take to achieve it so I've always been doing like that saying that okay these are things that I can do I categorize it പിന്നെ എനിക്ക് ഇത് അച്ചീവ് ആക്കോ സാധ്യ ഉണ്ടാ
Correct.
അച്ചീവ് ആക്കോ സാധ്യ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ I will work towards this nothing comes easy let me
Correct.
tell you ഇപ്പത്തെ കാലത്തിൽ അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് there are lot of things നമുക്ക് ഈസിലി കിട്ടുന്നു നമ്മളെ ടൈമിൽ അങ്ങനെ ಇಲ್ಲ നീ ഇപ്പോ മസ്ത് ഈസി
Sorry.
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താക്കണം ചെല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത് നമ്മളെ സ്കിൽസ് ആയെങ്കിൽ try to talk to people who are doing this particular thing saying that hey എനിക്ക് ഇത് ആക്കണം ഇത് എങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ ആക്കണം and be very vocal and don't be shy the biggest thing is ask
Correct.
if you ask you will get a response
Yes.
you have to ask
You should not.
എത്ര നിങ്ങൾ questions കേൾക്കുവാറി you should never feel shy
Because
നിങ്ങൾ
there are-
എത്ര questions കേൾക്കുവാറി
When you ask someone, ആരെങ്കിലും കേട്ടെങ്കിൽ ജെൻഡി ഓപ്ഷൻ one to yes.
definitely huh
But കേട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ though it is always a no.
correct നമുക്ക് ഗൈഡൻസ് ഇപ്പൊ തരുന്നവർ മസ്താളുള്ളാരി നമ്മളെ ടൈമിൽ നമുക്ക് ഏറ്റവും നമുക്ക് ഗൈഡൻസ് തന്നിട്ടില്ലാരും
correct,
ചെല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് കോമ്പറ്റീഷന്റെ പേടി ഉണ്ടാനി
correct,
ಇಪ್ಪೋ ಮಸ್ತಾಳುಳ್ಳಾರಿ
correct,
ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಂಗೆ ಪಡ್ಪಿಕ್ವಾರಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮೀ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಅಕ್ಕ ನಾ ಇದು ಹಾಕಟ ಅದು ಹಾಕಟ ಇದು ಹಾಕಟ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಕನಾರಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೈಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೈಮ್
correct,
I'll tell you, I almost work around 15 to 16 hours in a day. I start at morning at 5:36. Okay, I keep doing something or the others. But when people ask me in between, can I do this? Can you help me? I help lot of people. There are so many people that I help. I will help. ആർക്കോ എനിക്ക് ഹെൽപ്പ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് ഫോൺ ആക്കിയെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് മെസ്സേജ് ആക്കിയെങ്കിൽ ഫേസ്ബുക്കിലും മറുനാൾ മെസ്സഞ്ചർ ചാത്രാക്കുന്ന അറിയിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ അവരിൽ എന്റെ നമ്പർ ഇല്ല.
sorry,
Can I do this? Will you help me? There are so many people. I take pride today to say, even in Chennai, there are so many people that I have helped. And I continue to help. And I'm not bragging about it. I'm just saying that if you need help, please come.
correct,
I'll be more than happy to help my own moyers. Because for
Correct,
me,
sir.
that is my blood.
absolutely. And we are
That
very
is my
proud.
priority.
We are very proud to be Moyers, and this show is all about that. So we are
Yeah.
getting women, we are getting businessmen, we are getting artists. They really are they want to get connected, are you connect around them, they can get connected. And they are
Yeah.
interested in helping people because there are people who are coming in Moyers Connect, all the successful, talented, and all the people who are social work, they want to help our people.
Yeah.
All of them will get connected with them. So please get connected. All this in their respective field that they are into, like
So you'll find a lot of my friends and my colleagues here who are saying, and I'm so Tanya is here. She's saying always a person who loves to help people. So thank you, Tanya. So these are
Absolutely.
people that are here, and I know for sure that there are so many people that I have really done things for and never expected anything in return. So that's another thing. Never expect anything in return. Never do anything with an expectation. ನೀವು ಆರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಕನಾರಲ್ಲೇ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂಗೆ ಬದಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ತರಲ್ಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಂಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ನು ಬರೆಯು
correct,
ಆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ ಕರ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇದು ನಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯು ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಂಬೋಕು ನಾ ಇಪ್ಪ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಂಗ ಎನಕು ಗೊಂತು ನಾ ತುಳ್ಳಿ ಐಪಿನ ಒಳಕ್ಕೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತರವ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್.
absolutely.
Give because you feel like giving.
Give and forget. If you want to really help, give and forget.
Definitely. Yeah. Never ever expect akite nani chalne even when you love your child. See, that's another thing nowadays parents do, right? They expect from their children. Expectation e bekkom bayila. Adu namle kidavu. He is come to our life for a reason. We have to give them a life. But in turn, do you give because you expect saying that om bella ipina inna nokwa banda.
Correct.
ಆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಬರಂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಕನೆ ನಮ್ಳೆ ಕಿಡಾವ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು.
Yogita,
So that is another thing.
we have another 10 to 12 minutes of time. Just for your information because Instagram doesn't allow us to talk much.
I know. Let me switch on the light. I think it's got dark. Pansal.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, so am I audible now, guys? Am I audible enough?
No, your voice has been breaking. Yeah. Ippo okay.
Ipo okay onda? The light is okay.
Okay.
But not okay, you're saying.
I'm break aikonde undu off and on.
Okay. I don't know, there's something bad happening. Sometimes the videos are not good. Voice is
Yeah.
not good.
Today.
Yeah. That's okay.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
the best thing is your voice is
Clear. I can't hear you.
I said that's okay with me as well as you are audible to everyone. I said okay with me if you are audible to everyone.
ಕೇಕನ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
So hold on, let me
Okay, this is better. ಇನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇರ್ನಂಗ್ ಸರಿಯಾದ ನೀ ಶೇಕ್ ಹಾಕಂಡ.
Ipo sari unda? Are you able to hear
ఇప్పుడు
me?
సరి ఉండు
एकदम सरी ఉండా?
షేక్ అక్కడ అంగనేరి ఎక్దం సరి ఉండు షేకే అక్కడ
Statue.
నోకు నీ బద్యకు పోయా
No, I didn't move.
అంగనేరి చెల్లి పో
I didn't
Ai.
move.
ఓకే
Okay. Mic. So people are suggesting me mic and everything. Okay. I'm audible enough now, guys. मेरा voice clear है, मेरा voice उच्चर हो रहा है, मेरा voice. Okay, good. I'm very happy now.
ओके ठीक है सो व्हाट्स
है और I want you to conclude by to all the community ladies again their thinking perspective.
Okay, so for especially for girls, I always give this, and I don't know what the mothers will think, and they'll kill me. But I'm telling you, A is education, B is definitely have a job, C is be independent before you get married. 4, never ever leave your job. Even if you leave your job, you have to be financially independent. Because not for anything else, you know, you never know what life can take a turn.
Correct.
If you have money, if you have your finances, you have the confidence.
True.
If you don't have the money, there's no respect for you, your self confidence is down. Okay, never ever give up your earning power. It might be a career, it might be a job, but you need to earn till you die.
Absolutely.
Okay, so for every woman I would say that education, job, self confidence which comes through money,
Correct.
and highest thing is integrity. Never ever cheat,
True.
because that's
Super.
the most easiest way of making money, but that's the most easiest way your money can go away also.
Wow.
So never ever cheat. So definitely very important. I would say even for guys now,
Correct.
you
Correct.
know, it's actually going the other way now. So I would even say it's for guys
Correct.
that it is extremely important to earn money, learn every skill. You have to know झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन खाना कैसे बनाना है, लड़कों को भी आना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल. अभी सबको आ गया है.
Definitely, I have told my son, of course, कोरोना में सबको आ गया
सबको आ
है.
गया.
लेकिन करना है. नहीं, I still know people where they are struggling in the houses, but the boys don't do anything and the mothers don't want the boys to do also.
हाँ.
ऐसे भी लोग हैं.
Correct.
So I am saying you have to. My son, मेरा बेटा झाड़ू करता है, पोछा करता है, बर्तन करता है और क्लोथ्स वॉशिंग मशीन में डालता है, बाहर सुखाता है और फोल्ड करके भी रखता है. ये सब उसका ड्यूटीज है.
Wow.
एंड आई थिंक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. अभी नहीं, कोरोना का टाइम करके नहीं, जब से वो 8th स्टैंडर्ड में था तभी से मैंने सिखाया उसको.
मेरी
Because I
बहन बोल रही है,
feel-
मैं सीख गया.
नहीं करना चाहिए. Why?
करना चाहिए.
See, if two people are, if both are earning, husband and wife, why should the wife come and struggle?
There should not be
My
a parity.
husband does everything. See, even when my son was small, my husband would take turns to wake up in the night and change his nappies and all that. So it is important, and I think my son has learned a lot from my husband.
Absolutely.
So it is the fathers, the men who have to teach the sons also, and the mothers who
And the
have to
mothers.
say that yes, you have to do it. There's nothing wrong. See, a skill that you learn for life, like my grandmother used to say that, you know, ello padi amma. Pinnadu use akilanga, there's no problem. I wish you don't have to use those skills. But
Correct.
ಎಪ್ಪೋ ನಿನಕ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಉಂಡು ಅಪ್ಪ ನಿನಕ ಅದು ಆಕೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀ ಫೀಲ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಬಾಯಿಲ್ಲ.
चलेंगे टाइम ಚೆಲ್ಲಿಡ್ ಬರ್ನಿಲ್ಲ.
Definitely.
Prepared for them.
See, आज because we have gone through so much hardship, today if I don't have a maid, yeah, initially I felt क्योंकि 10-20 साल, you know, I had a maid who used to do everything. मेरा सुबह आती थी, शाम को मेरा घर कैसे चलता था मुझे पता भी नहीं था. अब 4 महीने से मैं सब कुछ करती हूँ. बाथरूम दो, टॉयलेट दो, जादू करो ये वो, you have to, right? And how I could do it because I did it when I was a child.
Right.
सोचो अगर मैंने किया ही नहीं था तो कितना बड़ा स्ट्रगल रहता था.
Absolutely.
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಪಡಿಕೋಣು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಪಡಿಕೋಣು, ಅದೆಪ್ಪೋ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆವು ಬರೋ ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದೇರ್.
Correct.
Male or female, girl or boy, please നല്ലെ പഠിക്കി, നല്ലെ ജോബ് എടുക്കി, ജോബ് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ആക്കി. ഇപ്പൊ മംഗാലയനെ കൊണ്ട് ജോബ് എളക്കണ്ട, കിടാവായനെ കൊണ്ട് ജോബ് എളക്കണ്ട.
True.
Never.
Absolutely.
Because it's not even you. നിന്റെ അമ്മ അപ്പ, see, look at my parents. നിങ്ങക്ക് രണ്ട് പെണ്ണുങ്ങോ, അവർക്ക് ആരെ കൊടുക്കുവാറി? നീ കൊടുത്തങ്ങ് നിന്റെ അമ്മ അപ്പ കൊണ്ടല്ലേ. Why would you borrow money from your husband and give your mother and father? അവരെ റെസ്പെക്ട് വാടാൻ പോവും.
True.
സോ അത് എപ്പോഴും ആക്കും ബയല. നമ്മളെ അമ്മ അപ്പ നമ്മളെ സൈഡിക്ക് നമ്മ ഓർന്നാക്കിയ പൈസ കൊടുത്താൻ കൈ.
Correct.
നമ്മ ആരെ എതിരെ നിന്നിട്ട് കൈ നീട്ടിട്ട് മേങ്ങോ ബയല. Anybody, and especially a woman, she has more respect when she's financially independent. This is my experience,
Correct.
and I've seen it with many more people.
These are all live examples. Obviously, with experiences, this has come to you, I'm sure. And for women, yes, they have to be self-dependent and अपना बैंक बैलेंस रखो डेली, किसी और के लिए keep it for yourself. You are self-dependent. That's the main takeaway from you.
For me, for the women,
Yeah.
sorry, yeah.
Sorry. I just wanted to.
No, you said something I didn't hear.
No. Are you able to hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Before we conclude, we just wanted to clarify what is this human factor management consulting? What does it all?
Okay, yeah. So I'll tell you what I do. Human Factor is a management consulting company. We do project management. We do coaching. So my husband is a life coach and executive coach. So we do coaching. We do CSR consulting and quality management certification, the CMMI level certification. So that is the part of our organization. Like I said, now I have tied up with Chef Aaron. Chef Aaron is quite a big name in the industry. And we are doing a wellness program together. So Chef Aaron, last before COVID, he was working with a Michelin chef in Palo Alto, California. So he did a healthy food concept. He curated a menu for them. And just before COVID, he came back. So with him, we are doing a wellness program where we are talking about mindful eating, healthy eating. We all eat, right?
Correct.
But do we know what is the proportion we should eat?
Correct.
Do we know how to read labels? We are all into this fashion food, you know. Olive oil use करते हैं, quinoa use करते हैं. वो हमारा है ही नहीं food भैया. हमारा food है millet, coconut oil, groundnut oil,
True.
till oil. We should start using those things. So we are talking about how we can use local food, eat healthy, remain healthy, and also the byproduct of this program is lost weight. But we are not talking about loss of weight here. So this is not a weight loss program. This is a wellness program, which if you carefully go through, you will lose weight also.
Okay. Quickly, we are running short of time. Where are what are your Insta where we can get in touch with you?
Okay, so Instagram, I'm Yogita Uchil, very straight.
Okay.
And
What
you'll see
about
this face.
YouTube.
YouTube Yogita Uchil. All my handles are Yogita Uchil.
Okay. So we'll get to see all this hair stuff that you're talking about on this YouTube.
Yes. Instagram more updated. YouTube, yeah, there are a lot of recipes, but Instagram is where I'm posting everything that I do.
Okay. Fair enough, Yogita. Thank you so much for your time. And I'm very sorry.
Thank you for having me.
but not easy.
हाँ, headphones change करो.
I'm very sorry that listening नहीं पाए, but I'm very glad कि Yogita पा रहे हैं. Everyone is able to listen to Yogita that the to take the people and we are very clear for everyone. And thank you for joining.
Thank you, Sudesh.
Much for your time. People will definitely come back and see this video just to listen to you. I'm sure. implies the rest is saying that